Hello, fourth graders. So this video is going to teach you how, and you may already know how, to log into Google Classroom and view your assignments, and also how to log into your Gmail account to view teacher feedback or to send an email. So you'll click on Google Chrome, and I'm going to expand my window, and then you need to go ahead and log in. So if you click on, for example, Gmail, I'm not signed in, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in, and I'm going to use my school email along with my school password, and I've signed in. Now, what I'll do is I'll go to this waffle right here, and there's a bunch of apps. So Alvin ISD has rights to G Suite and G Education Suite, Google's education platform. And what we can do is click on Classroom. But as you can see, like I was saying, you have Google Drive, you have a calendar, you can create a Google slideshow, you even have a Google Meet thing here. So I'm going to click on Classroom, and I'm going to go into my sample class here. So whenever you click on your sample class, and you may have classes from past years, and you may not, and that's fine. But when you go into your sample class, if there's an assignment, usually if it's newly posted, it's going to be on what's called the stream. So your stream right here is where if your teacher posts anything, any type of information, it's going to be listed here. So you can view an assignment here like that, or the easier thing to do is to go to Classwork. So for example, under Classwork, we already have an assignment. It's called About Me and Numbers. So I can click on that, and I can read the directions that my teacher's given me. I can click View Assignment, and I can click on it, work on it, get it done, close it. It's going to save automatically. That's the cool stuff about Google. And then I can mark it as done once I'm finished. It's going to ask you, are you sure you want to mark it as done? Yes, I do. Okay, so if you do that, you can also unsubmit it if you need to. I think most of the time you can. Maybe sometimes you can't. So once you do that, your assignment should be turned in, and it should be fine. But make sure that you turn it in so that your teacher gets notified that your assignment is finished. When you go back to the stream, you can see if your teacher allows you to, you can share things with your class. And if you go to another class, just for the example of this video, like for example, my homeroom, we have a link for our Google Meet. So you can just click on this link right here, and it's going to take you to a Google Meet. So my camera failed to start, and that's okay. But your Google Meet link for all of your small groups with your teacher, or even your live lessons with your teacher, they're going to be right here. So, but for our sample class, it's not there because this is a fake class. Now, to go check your Gmail account, you just have to click on your waffle again and go to Gmail. Here, you'll find your school email. And so what we want to do is we want to send an email to our teacher. So you can click Compose right here, and we're going to type in the teacher's name. So say that I want to send an email to Mrs. Zaragoza, and I want to send it to Miss Emmers, and I want to send it to Miss Holtkamp. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start typing in their last name, and it's going to pop up with their first and last name. And you'll see, you just match, oh, that's my teacher's name, there I go. I'm going to put in a subject line. Let's see, my email could be about a few of my favorite things. So there's my subject line. That tells my teacher what it is that I'm talking about. And I just hit this little button here to make it larger so that it's a little bit easier to see. If I can minimize it, then it's going to come down here, but I can also maximize it. So I can say, hello teachers, I have compiled a list of my favorite things. And here it looks like I spelled compiled wrong. So I can just click on it and it's going to give me an autocorrect option. So I can have my list here. I love elephants. I love dogs. I love math. And there we go. So I'll give my salutation. How am I going to end my email? Thank you. And then you'll write your name. So I have this here, but you won't have this here. So you can just write thank you, then your name, because that won't be there, and send. That's it. Then you're done. You've sent an email. You've checked your assignments in Google Classroom. If you get assignment feedback, it's going to be in your email account as well. So let us know if you have any questions.